All right, let's say you're like this guy who can't figure out why his images aren't importing with his Elementor template kit. I, like most people, installed a template kit and I thought it was really cool. But then when I went to make a page, none of the cool icons or images loaded in with it. If that's you, then here's the solution. So let's make a page. Let's edit with Elementor. Let's go ahead and load in a template. So this is my template right here. It looks really cool, lots of little icons. So let's view it. All right, so let's do a home page. So I will insert this template. All right, it's inserted and we see all this really cool stuff here. So I'm gonna go ahead and publish it. Now, when I go to preview it, you can see that none of the cool images or icons loaded with it. It's just the text that it came with. So let's close this out. Let's go back into here and let's try to get these to populate. So let's click into this. Let's see, let's do this right here. So let's click on this spacer. Let's go to advanced. And then let's go down to mask. And then you can see that's the icon. So now we have to find this icon. So we'll scroll through. This is the icon that came with the kit. Hit select. And now when I publish, this icon will show up. So publish. Let's preview it. And there's my little icon. So let's do that again with maybe this image. So we'll click it, advance, go to mask. Here it is. We choose it again, select, publish, and now it'll show up. So you have to do this with all the icons and all the images. Kind of tedious, but that's the only fix, and it will definitely work, and your site will look cool.